Hey everyone, today we'll solve the problem of the day on Geeks for Geeks. So today's problem is reach a given score, which is an easy level problem, and the accuracy for this problem is 79%, and it's for just 2 points. So what the problem says is there consider a game where a player can score 3 or 5 or 10 points in a move. Give a total n score, find all the distinct combinations to reach the given score. The first example is n equals to 10, which means we have to create a score of 10. So there are how many ways? There are two possible ways, that if in first chance the person scores 5, in second chance the person scores 5, then the sum is 10, and if in the first chance also only the person gets 10 as his score. Second input is n equals to 20, and for this we have four possible ways, which means that 5 is scored by the person 4 times, then that person has scored 3 for the 5 times, and the last he has scored to be 5, then 10 comma 10 is the case, and he can also score 5 comma 5, and then at last he can score 10. So this will give me the output as 20, and there are four possible ways. So what we have to do is, we don't need to read any input, we don't have to take any input or print anything, we have to just complete this function which is given to us. We have to count the possible ways or the possible combinations so that a person can make this score. For this we have to be like expected time complexity is on and the space is on. So now let's just code it. For this problem we will create a dp array where we will store all the combinations possible for the n minus 1, so that for dp of n, like combinations of n, we need to calculate what combinations needed. For that we will make a dp array here which will be of long type. Okay, the size of this array will be n plus 1, and we will initialize it with 0. Now we will initialize dp 0 index to be equals to to be equals to 1, that there is one possible way to get 0 as my sum. Now next I will run a for loop for int I equals to 3 and I is less than equals to n. N is here the score which I need to calculate. I will increment I every time, and what I will do is I will update the value of dp of I, which will be equals to plus equals to dp of I minus 3. Next, I will run the loop for I equals to 5, and I'll perform the same thing. I will copy this, I will paste it down, and what I will do here is I will replace my 3 with 5. And same thing we will do for 10. Okay. Now my answer will get stored at dpn, and I will return that, which will contain the total count of the possible combinations to be made to get the particular score. So now let's run it. It is successfully running. So now let's just submit it to check for other test cases while it is running or not. So it is accepted, and so we have successfully completed 185 days of streak on Geeks for Geeks. The total test cases it has passed is 1120, and this is the first attempt. It takes 0.16 time to run this program, which it is accepted with 100% accuracy. So thanks for watching. Please like this video, comment on it if you have any doubt, and let's see you in the next video. Thank you.